starting to turn it around.
We mellow them out. But how? We would need the ultimate chill-out song.
And fast.
We heard what you said.
Yeah, heard it old school.
It's in sync.
Ken the Chit Chat Millhouse, we've got just the song you need to defuse this whack attack.
Diffuse it, old school.
About time.
Radical.
Awesome!
I can't read.
I can't sing without dancing.
Fine.
You know, we've had a lot of fun tonight at the expense of the U.S. Navy.
But they're out there every day protecting us from Godzilla.
And don't forget pirates.
And jellyfish.
Those whack invertebrates will sting you, old school.
So check out the Navy for a 2 or a 4 year hitch.
We saw JC up yesterday.
What? No!